And then, of course, Hanukkah, with the presence of Christmas, that was developed. Well, this was a process of transition because for some years in the 1930s, my parents also had a Christmas tree. I think as Hitler rose to power and his infamy became more noted, and that they stopped observing Christmas. But I do remember the giving of gifts at Christmas time. This was somewhat influenced by my father's Christian friends at the plant where he worked, where there were a lot of gifts exchanged. And I do remember getting up on Christmas morning and opening presents. But I also remember the lighting of candles on Hanukkah.